That come here for everybody. What? You see, women, them at risk. And as I tell you too, I don't want to know, come congratulate Jamaica for not catching of none of these people. Because when we get for understanding Jamaica is, you see, for one topic no stink and everybody talk about it and enough of them like a thing you get sweep underneath the rug and some of the time, the only time police investigation go on at Jamaica when time it viral. Some of the time, the only time them people get justice served to them when time it viral, when everybody talk about it, when all of these things. You feel me I did? And at the same time again, I could ask the next question now. Feel like the people them where I report them live with people, I bring down people where molest and rape people and I kill people. Why you find it in yourself so you have to go report something like that? You is a raper, you like to see the abuse of women and them thing, you like to see how the man them a draw down woman jaws and a cut off their head and a fling in a one gully and them they sitting there. Some of them have sister, one to no mama won't have on the yard. Some of the time you can't even say that because enough of no boy. When not even treat no mama good, some of them even like no mama, some of them hungry with females. Some of the time, woman not do nothing more than look up girl cousin them and mama they do this one and young and grow up going eat girl. The whole of grow up going eat girl. And some of the time the woman they don't know how to trust on around your daddy. Because at the end of the day, this is a mechanic boy, One thing I'm going to tell you for boy, You see girl pitney? None of them no belong to none of blood clot no woman no ordained to no batty boy down here so. See if I Bible a fool get unfool for me No girl is not owned by no man down here. No man name no stamp on no girl boy. You see she no want you. She no want your pussy. That she mean she no want you. She no say she no want a man. She no want you. Someone must learn to take blood clot rejection and know when to go sit down in a bomber clot kind of youth. You see me I deal with? I want to know, feel like every girl who says stuff and I tell so no want to they want to fuck on her. The girl have standards boy too. And then everything you want as a girl you go get that neither like a dirty boy. Not because you see her right, they say about yeah man, girl that man, she's straight and thick. She don't want you bad man. We no must learn to accept. When girl no want to know and stop take them and kill them, go rape them, draw down them draws, cut them throat and do all of them things, the pussy hole. Man I go fuck on a blood clot jail and come in on a bomber clot throat. Cause pussy, they too good for someone, They too good for someone if you just that blood clot jail every day. The jailer then just get up and start stab and beat on a bomb buckler and well on up and beat on and well on up and beat on a bomb buckler again pussy hole. I want to know enough girl we call to boy whenever one we do stab up that and rape that. You hear that youth? Enough girl we call to we don't want. We can see her 10 morning in a row, 17 morning in a row, 3 year in a bomb buckler row the same bus stop. If she don't want you last year, last minute, 2 weeks ago, she don't want you, brother. She don't want you, youth. Someone come go and like say, girl, them boy, you know, no bomb buckler choice. You mean if them have choice, boy? The whole of them have blood clot choice. So now she have a choice now for there with you, and that is her choice. Pussy, well, you know, put down no pussy underneath her. You know, put down no pussy underneath her. I mean, notice Jamaican man them. Don't see me face when me a reason we do no pussy hole. So when a Jamaican man them get to realize so when I think on a own girl, Jamaican man feel like say they own woman. Woman a feed them or anything wanna tell girl if you do them if you do that. More wanna realize how much women are falling at the hands of men. How much women are falling off the hands of men who claim to say they like them, or love them, or want them. But man, if you love a woman, you know if you let her go. If mama na meds, you know if you love out mama. What do mama? Mama, you can't diss me. No time. I could have want you like, whoa. Go on, boy, your business, mama. You see me a dick of more girl out there. I can get a other girl. What me I go do? Rape you, cut your throat and make your mother and everybody a ball. Jamaica man, them deal with woman the worst pussy clot. Inside the sex, outside the sex. Me even not talk about on other race, man or nothing. You know, me have to talk about what me know, you know. Me not go talk about no Yankee boy. Me not go talk about no Hispanic boy. Me not go talk about no bumbuck lad. None of them. Jamaican man hate woman too much, daddy. When you hate girl too much, I don't love talk about so I don't love girl. I don't love nothing about blood clot woman. Because you see when you love sitting, you can't even kill it. Me have one dog in there, so. He violate, me beat him. Me feel bad in myself. Me feel bad in myself. Why me feel bad in myself? Because me love me dog. Because me love me dog. You think me can go in there and say, me go stab Sasa and kill him? Me go cut Sasa throat and Sasa want puppy. You cannot kill something that you love. No matter how good you say it is in your mind, I say, oh, me love that, you know, me kill it. Just the love we have in your heart make you can't kill it. You don't hate woman too much. Oh yeah, I'm find a different tree, you know it already. You understand? I find a tree for you know. You see one time I look upon it, I prayed. If you love woman, seeing them dead, seeing them with them throat cut, fling them out of one car. After the fuck, you kill him. Alright. Why you kill her? You know want to go to jail for the rape, but you rather go to jail for murder. That is a fucking foolish. Uno rape them woman and take them pussy against them blood clot will as yardman was uno rape woman. Woman now no life. Uno love girl more than anything. But what uno do? Una the island we kill woman the most. And una say una bad man, no days. Right now fucking government. Because una say them the pussy then help uno. Uno help uno self. If uno realize in a uno self, say the Jamaican man them uno have done this, so all them do a beat uno, kill. Jamaican man don't even take care of woman. You can hardly find that. Before a Jamaican man take care of a woman, he cuss your fuck. But he will beat her. Him will treat her. He will kill her bumbuckler too. But taking care of her was not one of him bumbuckler thing them. Jamaican man not take care of a woman. Them deal with woman the worst as you can see. Remember say last year 2020, let me show you how the year did start for Jamaica. Because we know, I'm going to show you again. So this is not a coincidence. This is a trait that Jamaican men have. Watch you now. 2020, July 31st, December 31st. This is the day before the 1st of January. We all saw a man get up with a gun in her hand, so boom, 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 boom. And she slump over. Dead like a blood clot dog. Dead like a dog. Because him think him own her. A Jamaican man think this, you know. Them think them own woman, and if you're done with them fi kill you. If you don't want to fuck a Jamaican man, him fi hurt you. One time you don't want a Jamaican man, him fi beat you and ill treat you. Oh, no think that. And none of them now looking now on a bumbuckler self. And that me notice now. Watch us, every girl are dead in a boom. Come back to January now. Soldier man, kill fame one, drop that a ground. Then member say out of half a tree or must down a mole line somewhere in a Kingston. One man cut off him baby mother head in a middle road in a morning there. Member says a trait this way them your money have. 2021. 2021 now that last year one time Corona that take a good thing Corona did come and make a place lock down. And so the woman and Pitney then did stop dead. One time then take away everybody. Remember you know, we give traits of Jamaican men. This can happen over and over again and we not go talk about say this is a disease what Jamaican men have. Jamaican men have a disease. A disease. Well, you find Jasmine yet? all know, right? Alright, I could come to 20. Enough we left around this, you know. We can't talk about everybody at 2020. 2021, no. How much woman dead gone? Alright, now, let me show you now. Samantha, baby father, cut her throat. Run her down like one dog. You see now? You see bush like this where you see back at me right now? And this in run her down. And gun her down like one dog. You know? One of this, yeah. When you look at her slippers, then they over there, so. I make we talk about the girl at Spanish Town. In her bed, the boy go and stab up her and cut her throat. And then make we talk about mums now. Make we talk about this brown in your waga work. Alright, mama go, you know? And then take her, kill her, rape her, and throw her over gully like one blood clot plastic bag. Like one plastic bag. So if you don't want to see it now, Mr. Wholeness, say the men in Jamaica are sick and need help. Where you going to take to see that? How much time you can see a woman kill her man? I'll sit here and wait. Which part of Jamaica you can see a Jamaican woman kill her man? Let me sit down right here and wait. I'm going to talk about sickness. Which part of Jamaica you see a Jamaican woman get up, a cut her man throat, stab him much in time and left him in our house and throw him in our gully like one dirty plastic bag? Or do all of them they sit in the two a man? When have you ever seen a woman do that? When you no ever see that? One woman cut a man throat and fling him down in a blood clot bush. When you never see a woman run down a next Jamaican man and stab up that in a one bush, make him run out and sneak as them. You understand? No, girl, don't come for me go there. Me no vlog about other places where me no come from, girl. And nobody come tell me about a Jamaica alone. And I love pick up for Jamaica too much. Jamaica is a small circumference, girl. Don't come for you. Because I'm on a fool, you know. Only love for blind the fuck what go on a phone or yard and talk about other people yard. Go there. Which yard you come from? Which yard you come from? You think me come here to vlog about Bumbleclad Venezuela? You think me come here to vlog about Pussyclad Trinidad? You think me come here to me talk about what go on in the country where you come from? The man them where you come from. Because all in America, when you see a man them come up here come do the same thing. So you know come tell me about say, I'm not Jamaica alone. You talk about where you come from, girl. I don't come from none of them country the way you go try bring to me right you know. Me I talk about where me know. Me no pick out matter out of people, yai. That are not my thing. Me pick out matter out of female, yai. Because I'm my yai that. A Jamaica we are talk about. We not talk about no other country. You see for them news that come on phone news. You no see American news that come on a Bumbleclad channel. No. A Jamaica you come from, girl. A your yard that. Make a reason about your blood clot yard. Our yard. Our place where the whole we come from with a Bumbleclad accent here where the man then cut with throat. Fuck we. Kill we, make sure so we pussy cut out and throat and tongue and Bumbleclad, everything cut out. Talk about your yard. Me no business about Venezuela, me no business about America, me no business about that. Talk about your yard. Nobody can beat if you talk about your own yard. You get fucked when you go talk about other people's place. You come from Barbados, you come from Bahamas, you come from Trinidad, you come from America. No, where you come from? You come from the place where we lose 3 women in a 1 week. And that's where you come from. So that's how we are reason about. You as a female will come from a place where female dead like dog by the hands of men, and that we are talking about. You see me? You see right now which part we there as Jamaican woman. Remember I said the whole of we life at risk, you know. A dead we are look for dead soon, you know. A dead we are look for dead soon. Why? Because every day when you wake, what you see? One different man where we are fuck. and call even baby father or boyfriend or a man we check for it. Remember say them a tab and kill and cut with blood clot short. So we have to sit down and talk about that.